Bentaka Sngi ke kat praterik ubenai no pra ahrajar arpuar. Kade kelengkut Sngiap ke ba prapuar jong melung Soso Tham. Unong thoh poetry bat kiwiki kot ki bapau ha ka thoh katar jong khasi. Si bentaka jengken ma buram yo ni melung uba yo I jengai UPCN mentaka ta yo ula ringdur ye ke Jingialehkai halor Rynsan rengkat ki jengruai. Kabala penwan dur ya ka na ka jeng thoh jong melung Soso Tham lyngba ka kot kabala ai kerteng ki Sngi Barim U Hynniewtrep. Ngin EFP ba pinik mi sipor ya ka ni Rynsan ka bangila sat tang kandiat na ka Jingialehkai ka bapalat ya ka sikenta siteng.
Ya kani ke Jingialehkai halor Rynsan rengkat ki sur jengruai da ka penwan dur na ki Sngi Barim U Hynniewtrep kabla thoh dong melung Soso Tham. La thoh iki kentian bat ki sur jengruai bat la penbit penbiang na dong syadong do ba dimension Jingialehkai bal penmit ka convener jong ke Indian National Trust for Art and Cultural Heritage Enacted Meghalaya chapter I Dr. Madeline Tham.
Wouldn't you want to tempt and taunt the divine into taking a crack at bringing your wife back steadfast and surely? Wouldn't you care to end your despair right there completely? Wouldn't you cave to finally save her light? Cause I see there's a purpose at the yearning neath the surface, discerning the things gone askew, the things gone askew. And wouldn't you?
Yes, I trembled as I stared at a burning pyre still reflected in my eyes. Oh, the love that burned. And just like that, death took her away from me, leaving me in the dark. But its whispering continued.
Wouldn't you just laugh at the fast to vanish, ending the strife of losing your wife away?
What if I told you I can console your famished little soul? For there's faith in what I've got to say. And it's your retribution to restore the link
that was broken the moment when death took your wife away.
Poi syakani ka phang namar bang I hasilong menta lada don ka talent ban ruai ban tem ki musical instruments also. There's no Broadway show as the parang like a storyline or something that teaches that explains to the people the good and the bad. And ngai can do I dimension limba I tusan harsati. And Rynsan has been trained in and educated in the UK. And ila lebon ki shows kum kini ban prepare ban direct sa Gujarat ila jule. Tingi kendo I nang tang sutanat bangai I baidan kasap. Ikmi jong I le kong narashi is one of the best pianists in the Northeast, if not in India. She is a gifted talent. Ti imat iligyo kasap na ikmi jong iru. Nge kendo nge keren halor kanika phang te ya te baro babu Soso Tham ulong uwe ni kinong thokot ki bakraw jong ki khasi upen I ki brio jong I ke ka babha bat ke ka basniu haki lemba ki jing tho jong u persyang ban pen I haki ba each one of us has some good in us, and if we let go of the fear, that good will shine through. So in this play, there's people coming out of their fears, their loss, their sorrows, and finding some good in this world. So kani kalong ka pangjong kani ka show.
Hang ne peni I ke jing pen kret na dong chadong ya ke Rynsan bakalong ka bajanai bha na do ki light ki surjing tem bat ki we de ki jing don kam. Bat ka bakham itnat bani I kene ke Jingialehkai kedai halor ki sap ak jon ki breu na kene ke jela ki bertebet ado kata-kata wala kedai hagak tin nong wei. Ha kani ke Rynsan le shim penta de ki khandai ngut ki rudan sap ban ak bat ruai bakentup I kong me bari shisha karnayor uba Alexander Lengdo uba dimension Jingialehkai uba Valden John Pariat ikong Hapida Marbanyang uba Jingialehkai ikong Ibadiang hun nongrum, ikong Florentina Rani, baruba kensai kupar manas.
Out searching for him and dragging him home at this hour of the night.
Oh.
Look, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to yell. You seem already out of your wits from before.
I'm all right now. It's just that ever since my wife died, I've been having nightmares of sorts. And I often come here to counsel with the stars when, you found me in that state earlier.
That was you talking to the stars? Well, then don't keep too many friends then, huh? I'm sorry. I also have been troubled by my boy who doesn't seem to listen to me anymore,
Ah, the rebellious turn of adolescence, eh?
Well, my boy may no longer be 20.
20?
25, though, but he's still my boy. He's still my little boy. He's all I've got.
25? Well, he seems like a man old enough to fly out of the nest.
Not to me, at least. He's growing older and daring by the day, and he needs his mother to protect him.
And talent, sometimes not only in school and colleges can you find talent everywhere, and all these players, actors are from different walks of life. Kidan kiba da dukan, kidan kiba tray office, dan kikan duk man ka janmit for baki light banyak practice and kita pelit jimut shibon ban penmi akan ka show. Ti ngasungu ya ka Magdalene Age Limited baka ay kan ka lat ban produce kan ka show. And ni kerman banang ni sakpat nang don show ki shows ki bakham itanat kani ka shulong tang ka jing sedang ka berit. And maybe from now onwards kinang don show ki show kinang yo show ki talent sama ki brio jongi ki dikiba don sub hakini ki liang garwai liang acting.
I can't let blame hang on the balance like this. Who here says the truth? Are? Aren't you the scholar from the other town? Millung, the poet. I recognize this man. Ah, he's that guy. Hey, what's a learned man like you playing a bandit at this time of the day, huh?
I'm trying to convince you that that boy is spewing lies, calling me a thief. He tried to rob me and another poor woman last night. Got me dragging and chasing him all over the woods.
Hey.
Look. I don't know about you guys, but I can't let a guy who's too good with his words fool me. So don't let his poetry fool you, my brothers.
What? I can hit you in the face right now.
Come on. Jai. Come on. Jai. We'll solve this. Now, who's this?
That boy.
Someone tell me.
No. Okay. I'm telling you, you better go there. Hey, you better.
What is the Sangatay doing early in the morning?
What?
Who are you calling ladies? Hey, Balan. Funny how you'd even ask that question. Look amongst yourself for something who. If I were the judge of that discussion, never mind, I'd only be a fool. Come on, get on with a better story. Clearly this is such a waste of time. But if you'd rather take some pointers from yours truly, through these noble eyes, my view of the world and how to be in it is simple. The way I see it, we don't get what we deserve, right? No. We take what we deserve. And better yet, why take it when you can simply have it given to you? After all, isn't that the nature of things anyway? Think about the beast out in the jungle for a start, and how the mighty from the weak are classified apart. Think about this standing on the zoological chart. Isn't it power that beats them from the rest? But how is that power possessed?
Ka storyline kaya bakini ki characters ki actor ki dan ki jong ki individual problems ti kewat jing champang kewat jing tengen kiblap hadu under one melung ubapen ia ki this light at the end of the tunnel. If only we know how to be grateful, pengingat how ublay nong bu nong thao, but ni sungtu bakadan hapo jangi ka jingba, but dangim kimbyang ki eru umleleng di basungu ya ka jingem bangidan hangi perthai, but ban persyang ban le bah ban appreciate what we already have. Ti habang ay kendu ida mention haka scene ki habadang sedang show kanika production na IE Sngi Barim U Hynniewtrep ngapuli gitu nang tu pada IE ruka translation bale I Janet Moore Hujan jong Sngi Barim U Hynniewtrep and ilakuli nang tu isa penwandor ya kaneka drama.
My family. I haven't told them about this yet, and I'm still troubled by what they might think or do.
Oh, no. Calm your troubles by this promise, my love. The promise that I shall never leave you.
That is all that comforts me.
I've taken a little of the savings and plus a little from my father.
Wait, you stole from him?
Well, what's a little consolation for his disownment, right?
No, that is just not right.
Listen to me, Shai. I've got this, all right? With the few that I've acquired just now, I think we have enough to go to the plains and start a new life there.
The plains?
Yes, Shai, the plains.
But Nai, you know it will be disheartening to leave the motherland like this.
Oh, no. No. Come on.
But I leave it hope. And I leave it you. Oh, heavens, bless this promise.
My love, heaven's light will guide us. And after all,
it's based on it's set in the Khasi Hills, the play, and the theme also is taken out from Sngi Barim U Hynniewtrep jong Soso Tham tingi ko aban pin iga that Khasi English touch is there in the play kan namar ba but then iko aban pin ki brio ba siya baru bangim ni tang kita ki ba siya lemo ba siya ngidan ka culture hangi ngidan ka sap ka talent but pin this is that aim then yo sponsors tingil deki track itu ki aktor bagi actress ni maybe ngi laban yalam ki siya Delhi ne siya Bariru, it is really something and amazing to create something out of nothing. There was, it's all in the mind of the director to produce all the stage and free. He can ujing internet ki karyam ka bed ka presentation ka long in hakikat so nga la Isha Broadway ha New York la pa West End Theatre ha London. In my eyes, it's world class. Presentation, the acting, and if we have enough sponsorship, ngilaban yalamiki siya Juwairu, ngilaban yalamiki siya po Garo Hills Ru, and maybe outside the state if possible also we can arrange. Kibut kibla saja saya kata.
Listen to the crowing of the rooster on the hill, heralding the burst of golden light. What was left behind in the sands of time now awaits another tale to write. Witness how the dewdrop lingers on the grassy quill, remnant of a sweet forgotten night. Knowing very well tomorrow will retell the promise of the day cycle of light. The highs and lows, the rise and fall, light and shadows to recall that over and over again the night into day will ascend. Feel within your heart the hope that sunrise can fulfill, as the sky is kissed by early bright. Yesterday is gone, now blessed into the